Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to tell you about 5 reasons why you should buy Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is this beautiful display on this phone. So we have got Full HD Super AMOLED display here, and it has got an aspect ratio of 18.5 by 9. Now this is something Samsung calls infinity display. This is a taller display than before, so we have got slimmer bezels at the top, and at the bottom it has extremely high pixel density of 411 ppi, so that's also great, and it's just a beautiful display. Watching movies, playing games, watching YouTube on this phone is a breeze, and it looks beautiful in hand as well. So that's one of the things that I wanted to mention. AMOLED displays from Samsung have always been great, and this display is no exception at all. So if you're a fan of AMOLEDs, this is the phone for you to go for. Now moving on to the second reason, I want to talk about software on this phone. So this phone is actually running on Android 7.1.1, and on top of that it's running Samsung Experience 8.5 software. So if I go in software information here, you can see that it's running Android version 7.1.1 and Samsung Experience version 8.5. Now this is again something that Samsung has picked up from S8 and Note 8 and S9. They have applied this on this A series. It looks similar, it works similar, it's very fast, it's lag free, it's smooth, and no app crashes up until now. For all the time that I've been using this phone, it has got ton of extra features. For example, if I go in settings and I go in advanced features here, you can see that we have got tons and tons of features here, all picked up from S8 and Note 8. Smart Stay, we have got game launcher here, we have got one-handed mode, fingerprint gestures, we have got quick launch camera, we've got multi-window, smart capture, palm swipe to capture, and others. One more is dual messenger that I want to mention here. And then we have got secure folder here as well, where you can keep your files and photos and videos private and out of the way. We've got always on display here. Now I have got a whole video that I made about these cool features on A8, and if you are interested in watching these features in detail, I will link that up so you can take a look at that video as well. Now the next thing that I want to talk about here is the build quality of this phone. So it's built beautifully, and it has a glass sandwich design. So we have got a glass at the front and at the back, but one downside is that you get this fingerprint mess with this glass design. But if it's clean, it looks absolutely premium and beautiful and gorgeous, and you can always get it in different colors, which does not show these fingerprints as much. But still, it feels premium in the hand, it looks premium in the hand. We have got USB Type-C down here for fast charging, we've got our audio jack here, we have got speaker on the side, so while playing games or watching videos, there is no chance of muffling the speaker as well. This is as close as you can get to premium experience in Samsung world without breaking your bank. The next feature that I want to highlight on this phone is the camera system, and the reason why I say the camera system is because we don't have 2 but 3 cameras here. So we have got 2 front cameras, a 16 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel camera, and a 16 megapixel camera at the back, having an aperture of f1.7. Now the back camera is very reliable, it takes beautiful photos. I've got a camera review, I will link that up so you can watch that in detail. But I want to mention the front cameras here specifically because they allow you to take beautiful selfies. So if you take a lot of selfies, if you're a fan of selfies and you're also a fan of bokeh effects in your selfies, this is the phone to go. This is the only Samsung phone that gives you the option to take bokeh effects in your photos, create background blurs, change the strength before taking the photo and even after taking the photo. So if you go in the camera app, you launch front facing camera in the selfie mode and go on live focus, here you can actually change the background blur before taking the photo, and once you've taken the photo you can change it even after taking the photo. And what's good here is that the nighttime performance is also great on the front facing cameras, so you can get very decent nighttime photos in low light as well. And the last thing that I want to mention is the battery on this phone. So we actually get 3500 mAh battery pack on this phone, and it has absolutely great battery performance. It gives you a screen on time of 6 hours, and standby time is also good, does not lose much of battery points while it's resting. And then we have got tons of battery saving options here. We have got mid battery saving options here. We have got maximum battery saving options here. You can tweak them and get the maximum out of your battery. We have got app power monitor down here, so it tells you all the apps that are using your battery right now. You can tap save power to remove these apps from using your battery. You have the option to turn on unmonitored apps, so they run unmonitored in the background and does not force close. And you can also add apps to always sleeping apps, so they will not use your battery in the background. So we have got tons of battery saving options on this phone. And if you combine with that the fast charging on this phone, you have got one very decent package. So it lasts you all day long already, and if you use some of the battery saving features, it can even last you more than a day. I've been using it for quite a while and it has always lasted me throughout the day, with around 20 to 30% battery still left at night time before I go to bed. So battery performance is very solid as well. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.